you know parrots actually have names? Wild parrots use unique calls to identify each other. Each baby parrot develops its own special sound, and other parrots use that exact call to get its attention. It's surprisingly similar to how humans use names. Scientists have discovered that parrots can even remember these calls for years. So the next time you hear a flock of parrots, they might not just be making noise. They could actually be calling each other by name.